Here we go. We have the SPY trader, SPY. Yeah, we hit our resistance. You can see it clearly. This is an hourly chart, and we have four down hourly bars. That is a trend reversal. This is a perfect example about our prediction coming true and that there is more downside to follow. This is an exceptionally strong bull that has to rest as we know it. We know it. And you can bet that if it goes down, you make money. You can get on the buy now, pay later program, whatever you want. We have all kinds of opportunities. Just inquire. Okay? You make money when they go up, you make money when they go down. You just have to be right on how you pick it. That's all. You know, that's one good thing about the people that are wealthy. They know how to predict what will happen in the future. That's what you always want to think about. But nonetheless, we hit a major support level right here. This is a SPY reversal. That is a trend reversal to support on an hourly chart. And we look at the hourly sell signal, and there's a lot of other things that support the reversal as we said would happen. Once again, it's time for you to step up to the plate. And what do I mean by that? Get paid.